Hello, everyone. I'm going to be discussing the potential effects of radio frequency electromagnetic fields, also known as RF EMF, and extremely low frequency electromagnetic fields, also known as ELF EMF. Little is known about the negative effects that electromagnetic radiation has on our health. We express the need for quality telecommunication and speed in our internet connectivity, but what about our health? Through the rise of 5G telecommunication expansion, workers are noticing the emergence of health concerns that may be linked to radio frequency electromagnetic fields, or RFEMF. Reports to epidemiologists seem to be alarming, and even though it is considered a carcinogen to humans, there is not enough research to prove it's completely detrimental to our health. How about instead of letting the corporate elites decide for us, I think it's in our best interest to conduct more research before we damage ourselves on a cellular level that is irreversible. It has become common today for corporations to dismiss our health when it comes to them making money. An example of this is making cheap, overly processed foods that contribute to the obesity in America. Why are we not demanding healthier options? Why do we continue to be the number one country in obesity? Why are doctors and scientists put on the back burner when it comes to what should be done versus what is done? Corporations are so quick to manufacture what is new that they forget to think about what is ethical and in the best interest of all people. There are two types of EMF exposure we deal with daily. There is low-level radiation called non-ionizing radiation. This includes microwaves, computers, Wi-Fi routers, cell phones, power lines, Bluetooth devices, and MRI. Then there is high-level radiation. This is called ionizing radiation. This consists of X-rays and ultraviolet rays from the sun. This is proven to cause cancer and has links to a history of events like accidents, from accidents like Chernobyl and the atomic bomb detonations in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Dr. Kim of the Department of Pharmacology of the Republic of Korea found that RFEMF can induce changes in central nervous system nerve cells, including neuronal cell apoptosis, which is programmed cell death, changes in the function of the nerve myelin, and the ion channels. Furthermore, RF EMF acts as a stress source in living creatures. General Lin He of the Army Medical University of China discovered that electromagnetic field exposure can induce pro-inflammatory responses and the depression of phagocytosis in microglial cells. When your body initiates an inflammatory response, then that means your body is trying to protect itself and become ready to fight off whatever may damage tissues. Rats have been used in experiments to assess the negative effects of EMF of cellular technology on the brain. Dr. Mei-Wan Ho, who is the director of the Institute of Science and Society, gives many examples of lab experiments and other professionals who agree that the electromagnetic fields in phones are damaging our brains. In a series of more than 1,600 animals, they have proven that subthermal power densities from both pulse modulated and continuous RF EMFs, including those from mobile phones, have the potency to significantly open the blood-brain barrier such that the animal's own albumin passes out of the bloodstream into the brain tissue and accumulates in the neurons and glial cells surrounding the capillaries. This can cause vast amounts of neurological problems and cell deterioration. Healthcare professionals are also looking for ways to treat and diagnose the emerging electromagnetic hypersensitivity. Dr. Igor Belayev of Stockholm University, Department of Genetics, Microbiology, and Toxicology, notes that chronic diseases and illnesses are associated with unspecific symptoms that are on the rise. Should we really worry about EMF exposure? My answer is yes. We really already have enough cancerous pollutants we are exposed to every day, so why not do more research before it's too late? It's time to consider ELF, EMF, and RF EMF as environmental pollutants that need to be controlled. We need to think about what is ethical and in the best interest of all people. Thank you.